Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about the EP-1320 Medieval 96 megabyte sampler composer. It is reminiscent of the EP-133 KO2, however it has a reskin, increased memory size. It comes preloaded with unique samples including percussion, witches, goat sounds, hurdy-gurdy, cattle, and more. There's also new LED graphics as well. Besides the new samples and the demo songs, the EP-1320 has unique effects and also it has an arpeggiator as well. I'm not sure what these new effects sound like, but I can list them. It has medieval punch and pocus, torture chamber reverb, dungeon echo, barbaric ensemble, a dimension expander. So it has also the arpeggiator, it has a new display, and the pads are scented now, I guess. And don't forget about demo song mode and the 9 songs that it comes with as well. These are all unique features to the device, but everything else is similar to the KO2. Okay, so that pretty much keeps you up to date to what this device is about and the differences between this and the KO2. Now, are you interested in my thoughts and will I be purchasing it? Well, for some of you who are familiar with my channel because of Fadergate and the original KO2 release where I was able to get a unit really quick because I purchased it quickly, found out the fader was broken, took it apart, repaired it, and I am just not interested in this device. I do like the idea of having unique effects. The memory expansion is something that should have came with the original KO2. It's the same price. It's the same price as the original KO2. Like when I first saw this, I thought it was a joke. And I am interested in the samples, but mostly if I was making a medieval RPG and I really needed these samples to make like a soundtrack, I highly doubt that the average musician will be inclined to purchase this just because of the medieval samples. I would probably be more interested if they made like an EP tonic, something that was more FM-y and you're able to sculpt and generate sounds rather than have a reskin, scented pads and samples that I don't really care for. Of course, the memory size is something that I want, but that should have been in version 1 of the EP. I'm also personally a fan of open source technology and maybe a EP device that you're able to change out the firmware on it so you can purchase one and then be able to have multiple devices. And then I know that Teenage Engineering are trying to maximize their profits and don't really care about that, but my philosophical opinion is that I would rather have an open source device or a semi-open source device or a device that you can just, like I said before, swap the firmware on it. What are your thoughts on the EP-1320 Medieval Sampler Composer? Let me know in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.